solution of exercise 2.2. 3 cos inverse x is equal to cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x. X belongs to 1 by 2 to 1. So I'll assume first cos inverse x is equal to t. Okay. So let us transfer cos inverse here. So it becomes s cos t. Okay. When you are taking cos inverse, you transfer here, it becomes cos t. Then we start from this side and prove this. So take right hand side, cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x. Okay, put the value of x as cos t. So cos inverse 4 instead of x cos t. So cos cube t minus 3 instead of x cos t. Okay, but this is the result. Okay, we know that 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x is equal to cos 3x. This is the formula. Okay. Now it is 40, so I will write cos 3t. So let us put here cos inverse, and instead of this I will put cos 3t. Cos 3t. Now cos and cos inverse can cancel, so you get it 3t. Okay. Now put the value of t there. T you have taken as cos inverse x. So cos inverse x, and this is what you are supposed to prove, 3 cos inverse x. So is equal to left hand side. Question number 3, tan inverse 2 by 11 plus tan inverse 7 by 24 equal to tan inverse 1 by 2. We have to prove this equal to this. Okay, let's take the left hand side first. So left hand side, tan inverse 2 by 11 plus tan inverse 7 by 24. Okay, we shall use the formula. We use tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. You know this formula, right? It is tan inverse x plus y 1 minus xy. Okay, we have learned this result. We shall use this because it is tan inverse and tan inverse. So I shall apply here tan inverse x. This is my x. So 2 by 11. If it is plus, comes plus. Y 7 by 24. Divide by 1 minus x into y. So this is x, this is y. So this into this. So 2 by 11 into 7 by 24. Okay. Let's put this in a bracket. Equal to tan inverse. You will take LCM here. Okay. So just cross multiply these two here. 24 into 2 and 11 into 7. So 22 into 2 is 48, right? 2 4s are 8 and 2 to 7 plus multiply this 11 into 7, so 77. And if you take the LCM, this product is 264. Okay, so you write that. Here also don't cut. Okay, you just take this 11 into 24 will be 264. That you take and multiply here. So 264 minus 2 into 7 is 14, and the denominator will be 264, which will cancel with the numerator. So this and this will cancel. So what you get is here tan inverse. Okay, add these two. 48 into plus 77 is 15, and 4 plus 7 is 11, and 1 is 12. Okay, and this difference, mistake again, 4 into 4. Mistake is there. Correct. 4. No, mistake is there. 0. Okay, 4 into 4, 0. 6 minus 1. So 5 and 2, right? And this cut it. So you cut it. So you get tan inverse cut by 125. No? So 125, 125 you cut. So 1 by 2. Correct? And this is your right hand side. Hence, question number 4. 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 7 equal to tan inverse 31 by 70. Okay, we have to prove that. So let's start with the left hand side. 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. Okay. See here 2 tan inverse, so you cannot directly apply. Okay, you have to. It should be without the coefficient. Okay, so what we have to do? Either you separate tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 2, or else you can use the we shall use this result. We will use here 2 tan inverse x if the x is 1 by 2. Okay, so tan inverse, instead of this 2 tan inverse, I have tan inverse 2x. So 2 is from the formula and x is this 1 by 2. Okay, divide by 1 minus x square. X square is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 square. Plus this is as it is tan inverse the 1 by 7. So tan inverse 2 and 2 you cut, so remains 1. Okay. Here 1 by 4. Square is 1 by 4. So take LCM. So 4 minus 1 to divide by 4. That 4 will go in the numerator. Okay. 4 minus 1 and 4 will go up in the numerator. Plus tan inverse 1 by 7. So tan inverse 1 into 4 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. Plus tan inverse 1 by 7. Okay. Now we will use the result. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So it is tan inverse x. X is this. So 4 by 3. Plus y is 1 by 7. So 1 by 7. Divide by 1 minus x into y. So 4 by 3 into 1 by 7. Okay. So what we get is tan inverse. Okay. You take LCM here. So just cross multiply here. Okay. So 7 into 4, 28. Plus 3 into 1, 3. The denominator for numerator is 21. Okay. 7 into 3. Divide by here also 7 into 3 is 21. So take LCM together. So 21 into 1, 21. Minus 4 into 1, 4. And divide by 21. Okay. Don't cut the, if it cuts also don't cut. So 21 and 21 will cancel. 28 plus 3. So what you get is tan inverse 28 plus 3 is 31 and 21 minus 4 is 17, and that is your right hand side. Hence proved. Okay. Write the following functions in the simplest form. Okay. Question number 5. Tan inverse square root of 1 plus s square minus 1 divided by s. Now I have to write this in a simplest form. So what I have to do is, such inverse trigonometry, I need to assume x is equal to something and convert this into a small form. Okay. So what we have to do, there are some rules. See, if it is like this 1 plus x square. Okay. So what I will do, I have to assume this something. So usually it is 1 plus x square, I will take 10, x as a 10. Okay, 10 t maybe. And suppose it is 1 minus x square, suppose it is minus. Then we assume that this x can be either cos or sine. Sine t or cos t. Okay. And if it is suppose x square minus 1, opposite, then I may take x as a sec x or sec t or cosec t. And this can be also taken cot t. Okay. Why we have to take this? There is one calculation, because these are the trigonometric identities from here. Sin square x plus cos square x we have learned in class 10. Okay. Then 1 plus tan square is equal to sec square. Then sec square minus 1 is equal to tan square. Okay. From this I am going to assume this. So you remember that 1 plus x square is there. I usually take x as a 10. Okay. If it is 1 plus x square and we have to form in a simplest form or calculate, then if I need to take any value as x, then I will take as a 10 or cot, but usually we take 10. If it is 1 minus, then instead of x I will take sine. Okay, or cos, depends on the calculation. And if it is like this, x square minus 1. Okay, sometimes instead of here a 1, it can be any value. For example, a square, suppose. Then what you have to take is, you take as a tan. Okay, it can be maybe let's take 4. So if it is 4, I will take 2 tan t. Okay, square root of this, right? So it is not matter if it is only 1 here. It can be anything here. You take in such a way that you can take common that value. Alright. So now for this, I am going to take, as I said, I will take x is equal to tan t. So let us take, let x is equal to tan t. Okay, let's first, since it is inverse trigonometry, I will transfer here and making tan inverse. So tan inverse divided by x. Okay, let us put the value of x. X has tan t. So tan inverse square root of 1 plus tan square t minus 1 divided by tan t. Okay, b sides also put tan t, x square also tan square. Now as I know this 1 plus tan square is sec square, so it becomes sec square t. Okay, 1 plus tan square is sec square t. This is the formula. Minus 1 divided by tan t. Okay, square and square root cut. So what you get is tan inverse sec t minus 1 divided by tan t. Okay, still not any simplification. So what I am going to do now, let us convert this sec into cos and tan into sin by cos. Okay, so we will use the simple trigonometry and convert this tan inverse cosec I can write as 1 by cos minus 1. Okay, minus 1 this, and this I can write as a sin x by sin t by cos t. Okay, now you take LCM and cut with this. So tan inverse 1 minus, you multiply here cos t and the sin t. This denominator will cancel. Okay, now again we are going to use the formula. Okay, I will use the formula tan inverse 1 minus cos t. Now there is one formula, 1 minus cos x. This is written as 2 sin square x by 2. Okay, what you have learned is cos 2s and you have learned is sin square x. This is done in class 11. And we also have learned sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x. Okay, do you remember this result? Now this result I am going to apply here. What? Here 1 minus cos 2x, here 1 minus cos t. So if it is t, it should come half. It is 2x, then it becomes x. So if it is t, I will get 2t by 2. Then I am going to use the same formula here. Sin 2x becomes 2 sin x cos x. Here t, so I will write 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2. Okay, so I will apply the same result but with the change in this angle. So here it will come 2 sin square t by 2. Okay, I am using this result. Okay, so t becomes t by 2 and this formula is 2 sin square. And sin t I will write as a 2, this one, sin t by 2 into cos t by 2. Okay, now see 2 and 2 will cut. Sin square t by 2, sin t by 2. So 1 sin t by 2 will cut. Okay, so here remains sin t by 2, cos t by 2. Sin by cos is tan. So what you get is tan inverse. This becomes sin by cos is tan t by 2. Okay, tan and tan inverse cuts. So you get t by 2. Now put the value of t. This t by 1 by 2 you can write. This t by 2 you can write as 1 by 2. And t value we can write from the first. What we assume as tan inverse x. So this is the simplest form of the given question. Question number 7. Tan inverse square root of 1 minus cos x, 1 plus cos x. Okay. So now here also we have write the simplest form. I am going to use the formula. Okay. 1 minus cos x, 1 plus cos x. We have got the result. Okay. We have just what I used before. 1 minus cos x, or you can say 2x. That is what you have learned. Is equal to 2 sin square x. Okay. And 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x. These are the results we have done last year. Now if I have got only x here, then it will become x by 2. Because 2x becomes x, 2x becomes x. That means if it is x, it will be half. Okay? 2x is half of 2x is x. So if half of x will be x by 2. So I am going to use these two results with the change in this angle. So right here now tan inverse 1 minus cos x 1 plus cos x. Okay, we will apply this formula. So tan inverse 1 minus cos is 2. I am applying this. Okay, sin square it becomes x by 2. Okay, only this angle becomes half because it is x here. 2x is x, so x will be x by 2. Divided by 1 plus is 2 cos square x by 2. So 2 and 2 you cut. Sin square by cos square is tan square. So tan inverse tan square x by 2. Why I can combine because angle also is same. X square root and square cut. So remains tan inverse tan x by 2. Tan and tan cut, so remains x by 2. This is the simplest form of given question. Question number 9. Tan inverse x bar square root of a square minus x square. Now here you see it is a square minus x square. I gave you before that if it is like this form 1 minus x square. Okay, like this form, then you take x is equal to sine, either sine or cos. Okay, I will take sine. So I will take, and if it is a here, a also has to come out. So I will take let x is equal to a. Since a is here, if it is b, I will take b. A, and I will take sine t. Since x is there, take another variable t. So I will take here a sine t. Okay, and take it tan inverse, place the value instead of x, put a sine t. Okay, here also and here also. Divide by a square minus instead of x a sine t whole square. That means a square sine square t. Okay, then you take out c a square you can take out tan inverse a sine t. A square will be out in the square root a square. Okay, bracket here a square is taken, remains 1 minus a square is taken, remains sine square t. Tan inverse a, this one as it is sine t. Okay, now this a square out of the square root you take becomes a, and 1 minus sine square is cos square, right? This we know. 1 minus sine square is cos square t. So a cut, square and square root cut. So what you get is tan inverse sine t divided by cos t. Okay, a cut and square root. So sine by cos is tan. So tan inverse tan t. Okay, tan and tan inverse we cut. So what we get is t is equal to t. Put the value of t. Okay, t I have not transferred here. What will be the value of t from here? Let's see from here. I write here. Okay, now x is equal to a sine t. Okay, what will you do? First you transfer this here. So x bar a. Okay, transfer a. So equal to sine t. Now what to do? Transfer sine here becomes sine inverse. So sine inverse x by a is equal to t. Okay, let's call this 1 and we'll put the value of t in equation 1. That is your simplest form. From 1 we have started with this. So I'll write this first. This one tan inverse x divided by square root of a square minus x square equal to t, and the t value is equal to sine inverse x by a. Okay, so the sine inverse x by a is the simplest form of tan inverse x by square root of a square minus x square. I'll just see, you are supposed to do now the question remaining, that is 6, 8 and 10. Okay, I'll just give you the hint. You write down the question and I'll give you the hint, so please try yourself. Okay, number 6. Question number 6. Tan inverse 1 divided by x square minus 1. Okay, now it's given that modulus of x is greater than 1. Okay, see here x square minus 1. So you have to assume x equal to something, right? It is x square minus 1, so take x is equal to sec t and solve it. Okay, please do it. Then 8. Tan inverse cos x minus sin x divided by cos x plus tan plus sin x. Okay, this one you are supposed to do. See, this is actually the which is in the bracket we have done in class 11. So it should not be difficult. What you are going to do is you divide each term by cos x. Okay, cos x divide, cos x divide, cos x divide, cos x divide. When you divide cos x becomes 1. This becomes tan. This becomes 1. This becomes tan. Then instead of 1 you put tan pi by 4 and you will get here the formula of tan x minus y, and you can cancel and then put the value back. Okay, that is the one. Then question number 10 is tan inverse. This formula I have given you: 3 a square x minus x cube divided by a cube minus 3 a x square. Okay, here what you do is you divide each term. Okay, each term by a cube. Okay, by this divide each term by a cube. See, when you divide by a cube, na, here you divide by a cube, you will get 3x by a, because a square will cut. Here when you divide, you will get x by a whole cube. Here when you divide, you will get 1, and when you divide here, 3x square by a square you will get. Okay, and when you get, then you have to assume again equal to 10. Okay, you assume x by a is equal to 10. Okay, 10t, and then you solve it. You will get, here you will get the formula of tan 3x or tan 3t, because we are taking as t, and then you will cancel and you put the value back. Okay, so this will be your homework. Thank you very much.